Hey guys, it's Melanie. Time for a huge Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna try and get through this as quick as possible. So here I go. Let me start with the first one. Okay, I went ahead and got the Chicken Helper sweet and sour chicken boxes because the sweet and sour in this is actually really good, and it's a really quick meal. So I went ahead and got 2 of those. And then next, my son loves Pop-Tarts, so I had to go ahead and grab him some more Pop-Tarts. They had the brown sugar cinnamon Toastums. And then I got him the frosted cherry. And then next, I needed mayonnaise. I'm kind of a little iffy about this, but I went ahead and grabbed their mayonnaise. I don't think it was that great of a deal, but I needed some mayonnaise right away. And then my son loves popcorn, my husband loves popcorn, and they're always like using my Tupperware, so I decided to get them their own storage for their popcorn. And then they have these 10 fluid ounce hand sanitizers. I finally ran out of my other one, so I went ahead and bought one of these. I think I should have bought more. You can never have enough hand sanitizer. And then on to stickers. I am doing stuff for birthdays and gifts. And so I wanted to make a little more extra effort in decorating, and I decided to get these really cute stickers. So there's that. And then this one had some holographic stickers with an album. Ooh, fancy. And then I went ahead and got these super cute ones with the googly eyes. It has owls, snails, bees, birds, and all that beautiful stuff. And then I kind of ripped it, but I thought this was a really good deal for $1. You get 240 blank labels, so I'm able to send out my Christmas cards and I could just put a sticker on it instead of handwriting it every time, because I have a lot of Christmas cards that I send out. I decided to get these really cute tin boxes that they carry there. I make salted caramel French macaroons, and my friends love them so much, and I wanted to give them to them as a gift instead of putting it in a plastic bag or something like that. I wanted to give it to her in a tin so she can keep it, because this girl, one of my friends, she loves my French macaroons. And on the inside I try to hide it from my son. I got him some stocking stuffers for Christmas, and he loves Mike Wazowski. It's funny how he says his name, and it's nowhere close to what Boo says. He just calls him Owowski. I mean, that's the best that he can do. And then I got him one of these rubber balls. These are pretty cool. They seem pretty bouncy. It's called the Amazing Atomic Ball, and I think he would have a lot of fun with that. So I kept some of his toys hidden in there, because he's always trying to figure out what I bought from the Dollar Tree. And on to bags. I went ahead and got this cute elf bag. His head kind of is 3D, like it pops out. So I got that bag. And then I got this holographic looking bag that says snow with a cute little snowman and a wreath. And then I got this Merry Christmas bag that was kind of like holographic. I thought that was a really good size, and for my mom I thought this would be really pretty to put her Christmas gifts in. For the last bag that I got a giant snowman. My son loves Olaf from Frozen, and he's always like, snowman, snowman. So he's not Olaf, but he makes you smile like Olaf does. I saw this on another video, and it is the Christmas duct tape, and I had to get my hands on it because I like to decorate gifts and my envelopes and anything that I mail off. I want to decorate it. So I got these, and they are only 5 yards, so that's not that much. So I ended up buying like all of them. Not really, but I bought a lot of them. These are stocking stuffers for my son. They have the Amazing Spider-Man figurines. And then I got, oops, throwing stuff. I got the Flash figurine. My son was that for Halloween last year. And then I got the Batman figurine. And then another stocking stuffer, I got him the biting dinosaur. I thought that would be fun for him to play with during Christmas Day with his grandparents. And I think everyone would have a good laugh with that one. And let's see, I got some baking supplies because I love to bake people stuff for Christmas. So I got 2 of those. And then I ended up getting these bakery bags, and they have a snowman on them. and there's only 8. So for the stickers I forgot to show you, I got the like a lace sticker. I don't know exactly what it is made out of, but if you feel it, it feels like it's actually lace. It's pretty cool. It would look nice on a letter. So I also got the heart ones too. I thought these were really beautiful. They only had these 2 there. I went through all the stickers and I couldn't find any more. Okay. And then I went ahead and got some rolls of ribbon because I like to put the rolls, or not the rolls, I like to put the ribbon on my kitchen cabinets, and I like to take a clothespin and pin my Christmas cards to the ribbon so I can look at them all the time. That's probably my best method of hanging Christmas cards without it getting in the way. And then some more duct tape. I got the candy cane design, and then I got the Christmas tree design, and then I got the snowflake design. Look at that, just so much stuff. And then I got the ornament design for the duct tape. And then I got this really cute wreath. I know, jingle jingle. I love it. It's just perfect for my door. So I was going to hang that on my door of my room. And then also, I was going to hang this on my knob of my house. I thought this was cute. It says, "I don't have a chimney, please use this key." And it's for Santa Claus, and my son's at that age where he can probably finally understand who Santa Claus is. And then I went ahead and grabbed some Christmas cards because I needed more. You can never have enough of Christmas cards. You'll always find someone to give them to. So I got these really cute ones, and they only say Happy Holidays on it. And then I got these really cute ones too. This says Happy Holidays on it also. And then let's get on to the item that I pretty much took the whole rack of. They have these paper tapes, which are like washi tape. And it says it's actually handmade, which is pretty interesting. I don't know how they do that. But I got the snowflake one. And I got this argyle design. And then I got this cute gingerbread design. And then I got the Noel design. And then I got the Merry Christmas design. And the, don't be mad at me, but I don't know exactly what these are called, but I know they're related to Christmas. And then I got the Holly Jolly Merry Christmas tape. And then I got the, I think it says "Do not open until Christmas," and then it says Happy Holidays on it tape. I think that one's a really, really good one. I wish they had more like that. And then I went and got a nice little flower arrangement set up that I made. I think I made it from 3 stem, or 3, no, actually I made it from 4. There's 4. And I was gonna trim the ends a little bit more so it can be more plush instead of like high. And then I was gonna add some of those clear beads at the bottom. So I thought that was really cute. And then I saw these and I thought this was an incredible deal. You get a nice little sewing kit on the go, and it was only $1. And you're able to get all of these needles, and it doesn't even matter the quality of the needles. You have like a million to choose from. So I thought this would be a really good stocking stuffer. If not, I might just grab more so I can have one for myself to keep around, because all I have is a giant sewing machine. I don't have something small like this. So that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I didn't go into deep with all the items, but it was so much that I really didn't want to, you know, take up so much time on it. But yeah, I had such an awesome time shopping at the Dollar Tree. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!